Kia ora team, welcome to DIGI NINE, how to make a digital presentation. If you didn't know how to use Google Docs and Google Slides, there are 2 learning videos down below. But if you did know, did you know that you can publish your docs or your slides to the web? Here's how. Start by opening up a slide or a doc. First, you want to make sure your share settings are set to on, public to the web. Once you have done that, you want to go to File, Publish to the web, and click Publish. It will then give you a link that you can copy and paste to be taken straight to your presentation. This works for both Google Docs and Google Slides. When you have finished, don't forget to come back to the Digi Creative Hub and fill out our Digi Creative Hub response form. Explore, learn, create. Kia ora team.